Welcome guys, this channel is a space trip. We don't ask you for subscribe and like. We only give you a what? Knowledge only. This is a map of a this is a map of a Pacific garbage. You find it and on the net. This sound. And it is located roughly 135 degree to 145 degree west and 35 degree north to 45 degree west. Sorry guys, this is a lura fish. Before 5 years it was found in Pacific Ocean easily, but is not found today because of garbage of it will died and it not especially for it. Every fish of a Pacific Ocean is will be died and find difficultly because of garbage of Pacific Ocean. Please do on it. Pacific Ocean garbage. Operation Shield. And the collection of Pacific and flat trash original from the Pacific Rim. This is the Pacific Rim. Research on and included 10 countries. This is South Pacific. This is the North Pacific. This is the South Pacific. I show you later. Including country in Asia, North America and South America, the is included to economical masses of in growing garbage. This is a rough sketch of garbage rate. You check. It is the most way to conversing way. Guys, this is the main thing. Street. You do that. We do that. Pacific Ocean is the main thing on the world. We do for it. Please and please afford this. I ask you.